everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to my video today, you guys. This is going to be a quick video where I just share a few things with you. This is the Ink It Up and Create projects for September 2019. So today is the 4th, and the really fun and exciting thing is that the holiday catalog goes live today, which means you can order from this, and now we can open it up and we can chat about it, and I can share all this amazing product with you. I really love it. All of the fall stuff is here in the back, and we are definitely starting September out in our Ink It Up and Create Club in fall projects. So we're using the Come Gather Together suite of product for our projects this month. So you can find that starting on page 48 of the catalog. And if you look in the description of this video here on YouTube or over on Facebook, you will see that there is a PDF for these labels, and this is printed on an Avery label sheet 5167, and you can print this out, and it has all of the items from the holiday catalog. So it has all of the designer paper, the dies, the bundles, some of the extra items. I've created a label sheet for you, so when you get your product, you can label it however you label your items. So I always have a label on my dies because I store them on these magnet sheets. And then if you have designer paper, I have labels for that. So the Ink It Up and Create Club is open again this month. So when you sign up for the club, you sign up for a 6-month commitment. And so what that means is each month for 6 months, you're just obligated to place an order. It is a $50 order minimum. And I give you a supply list of items that you're going to need to be able to complete the projects. For the club, you get a package in the mail from me, and it will include a card kit for each one of these, and you get to make 2 each. So you'll get to make 6 cards. It has envelopes. You get a PDF, so it has instructions and dimensions. You get exclusive pre-recorded videos on how to create these projects, along with some tips and tricks so that you can create with the product that you're getting. And then there is a bonus project that is included in your kit. And that bonus project is a live workshop we do on Facebook. So we have a Facebook group, we hang out there. I do a live workshop where I put together the project. You get to make it too, you get to make one of that. So these are the cards that we will be making, 3 of them. I don't share our bonus project. It just to the club members is where I share that. So this month, the supply list that you're going to need is the Come Gather Together stamp set and the dies. This is a bundle, so you'll save 10% when you purchase it. And then the designer paper, and I don't have that. Oh, I do have that. It's this designer paper right here. It's the Come Gather Together designer paper, and you can see that I have used this paper a ton. You can see I have my label on here, but this is the paper that you will need. I love this paper. It's so gorgeous for fall. So you'll need the paper, and then these 2 items, and it is a bundle. So you'll get the paper and then the stamp set and the die. Now next month we'll be using the copper stamp pad, but I have suggested that you might pick it up this month because one of the things that I do use this in this month's projects, but I also do an alternative, so you don't have to have it. If you want to go ahead and wait and get it next month with your order, you can do that, but these are the items that I suggest that you have. So if you would like to join the Ink It Up and Create Stamp Club, all you have to do is click on the link below and fill out the ordering form. So there are 2 options that you can do. You can get the Ink It Up Club by just placing your order. I send you out an email with an exclusive host code, and you just place your own order. Has to be a $50 order or more before shipping and tax, and that's it. You're all done. Or you can pick the option where I will order all the product for you, and then I will package it all and ship it to you. So there's 2 different ones that you can pick from. Just choose which one will work for you, and then you'll get an email from me. You get to be a part of the Facebook group. You get all the videos. I do a giveaway. Last month I gave away a Stamparatus to somebody who had signed up for the club. This month there is going to be another giveaway, so there's always one large giveaway in the club. And then also I always include a little goodie in your package. So last month what was the little gift was a round sponge, and we did some fun things with this. So there's always a little, I like to consider it like a little pillow gift, like a little gift that if we were all getting together and stamping in the same room, I would have a little treat for you on the table when you came. And since we can't do that, since we're not all in one room, I just do it through your packages and I include a little gift. So I hope that you guys will consider joining. It was so much fun last month creating with the ladies that have already joined. We had a great time, and I'm really excited to dive into fall projects and all the product that we have. And so I hope that you will join me. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will be happy to answer those. And I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.